Jesus Freak here, and due to a change of plans, I was actually able to go on most of my usual grocery shopping for this time of the month, and instead I wasn't able to do the running around I was going to do instead. That I'll probably do tomorrow. Still got to hit Aldi's, but I'll be doing that on Wednesday, probably later Wednesday, not like, like evening. So, chances are I might not even buy anything. Depends. Might just wait a couple days, get what I'm looking for online. My cat's going crazy. Anyway, I got a couple things I'm thinking of trying to buy on the internet. eBay, Amazon. I'll see if I can get what I'm looking for on Amazon instead of buying it in a store. Probably be cheaper. It only takes so much of the salsa at a time. It's got a ghost pepper extract in it. Pretty hot. Got my eyes on a couple new in box vintage Cambridge cameos. Might buy one of them. We'll see how things work out. Might go to Canada again later in the week. I don't know. Jesus Freak out.